Let's look at creating multiple financial projects with a team member for each. To start with, I want to set up my default values at the top. So we'll put a header upload action of create, and then we'll use the use form. We're using this because we're not quite sure of the source template name. In here I can actually put a percentage as a wildcard next to a name and pull back a list of values. I can also put the project name and number in here. I don't have to do this at this stage, and I can just do it in Excel, but it's just as easy to type it in here. I'll then take that source template name and put that into the row 10 default. Now to set the defaults for our team members. We'll set the upload action to create. We'll put in a start date, and then the project role that we wish this person to take. Of course, we could have multiple people and multiple roles for each project too. Now we're ready to build the data for the list of projects and the team member. So we'll just take our current project name and we'll just use standard Excel to build new project numbers and project names. We'll then scroll across here and we'll add the team member. We'll assign Amy Marlin to all of these projects. Using standard Excel, we'll just drag her name all the way down, and then we'll go back to the beginning of the spreadsheet, and then we'll choose upload. This will upload all the columns with an action. It will validate the data, then call the REST services to input the data into Oracle. Once the data is imported, you'll see the statuses to the left to show you the results from Oracle. Now let's take the project names, paste them back into Excel here, and use the download via sheet functionality to download the projects back into the spreadsheet from Oracle. You'll see there's the projects, and if we scroll to the right, we'll also see the team members, and further to the right the tasks that have been created by using the template against the header.